Question: in which of the following acts the provision was made for the establishment of Supreme Court at Calcutta? A. Regulating Act, 1773. B. Pitt's India Act, 1784. C. Charter Act, 1813. D. Charter Act, 1833. Correct answer is A. Regulating Act, 1773. Question: by which one of the following acts was the Federal Court in India created? A. Indian Council Act, 1861. B. Government of India Act, 1909. C. Government of India Act, 1919. D. Government of India Act, 1935. Correct answer is D. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: which Act of British Parliament abolished the East India Company monopoly over trade in India? A. Regulating Act. B. Pitt's India Act. C. Charter Act of 1813. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Charter Act of 1813. Question: by which of the following act Legislative Council of India received the power to discuss the budget? A. Indian Council Act, 1861. B. Indian Council Act, 1892. C. Indian Council Act, 1909. D. Indian Council Act, 1919. Correct answer is B. Indian Council Act, 1892. Question: the Federal Court of India was established in which of the following year? A. 1935. B. 1937. C. 1946. D. 1947. Correct answer is B. 1937. Question: in the context of Indian history, the principle of diarchy refers to A. Division of the central legislature into two houses. B. Introduction of double government, i.e., central and state governments. C. Having two sets of rulers, one in London and another in Delhi. D. Division of the subjects delegated to the provinces into two categories. Correct answer is D. Division of the subjects delegated to the provinces into two categories. Question: under which of the following acts diarchy was introduced at central level? A. Act of 1909. B. Government of India Act, 1919. C. Government of India Act, 1935. D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is C. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: which of the following acts set up diarchy system at the central level? A. Government of India Act, 1935. B. Government of India Act, 1919. C. Indian Councils Act, 1909. D. Indian Councils Act, 1892. Correct answer is A. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: the Act of 1909 was associated with A. Introduction of separate electorate. B. Decentralization. C. Diarchy. D. Legislative councils. Correct answer is A. Introduction of separate electorate. Question: which of the following acts introduced the principle of constitutional autocracy? A. The Indian Councils Act of 1909. B. The Government of India Act of 1919. C. The Government of India Act of 1935. D. The Indian Independence Act of 1947. Correct answer is C. The Government of India Act of 1935. Question: the Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time by A. Indian Council Act of 1892. B. Indian Council Act of 1909. C. The Government of India Act of 1919. D. The Government of India Act of 1935. Correct answer is C. The Government of India Act of 1919. Question: which of the following acts introduced a bicameral legislature at the centre? A. 1961 Act. B. 1917 Act. C. 1919 Act. D. 1915 Act. Correct answer is C. 1919 Act. Question: the power of the President to issue ordinance is a relic of A. GOI Act, 1919. B. GOI Act, 1935. C. GOI Act, 1909. D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is B. GOI Act, 1935. Question: which act for the first time made it possible for Indians to take some share in the administration of their country? A. Charter Act, 1833. B. Charter Act, 1853. C. Government of India Act, 1858. D. Indian Councils Act, 1861. Correct answer is A. Charter Act, 1833. Question: the distribution of power between centre and states as in the Constitution of India is based on which of the following plans? A. Morley-Minto Reform, 1909. B. Montagu-Chelmsford Reform, 1919. C. Government of India Act, 1935. D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is C. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: a federal system and diarchy at the centre was introduced in India by A. the Act of 1909. B. the Act of 1919. C. the Act of 1935. D. none of the above. Correct answer is C. the Act of 1935. Question: the provision for the establishment of All India Federation was included in the A. Government of India Act, 1935. B. August Offer, 1940. C. Government of India Act, 1919. D. Cabinet Mission Proposal, 1946. Correct answer is A. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: which one of the following acts provided for a federal polity in India? A. Government of India Act, 1909. B. Government of India Act, 1919. C. Government of India Act, 1935. D. India Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is C. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: in the federation established under the Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to the A. Federal Legislature, B. Provincial Legislature, C. Governor General, D. Provincial Governor. Correct answer is C. Governor General. Question: which one of the following is not an important and permanent constituent in the Constitutional History of India as adopted in the Government of India Act, 1935? A. A written constitution for the country. B. Elected representation responsible to the legislature. C. Envisaging a scheme of federation. D. Nomination of official members to the legislature. Correct answer is A. A written constitution for the country. Question: one amongst the following was not a salient feature of the Government of India Act, 1935. A. The Act provided for an All India Federation. B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures. C. It marked the beginning of the provincial autonomy. D. It abolished diarchy at the provincial level and introduced it at the centre. Correct answer is B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures. Question: why is the Government of India Act, 1935 important? A. It is the main source of the Constitution of India. B. It gave independence to India. C. It envisages partition of India. D. It abolished the native states. Correct answer is A. It is the main source of the Constitution of India. Question: which one of the following acts led to the separation of Burma from India? A. The Indian Councils Act, 1909. B. Government of India Act, 1919. C. Government of India Act, 1935. D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is C. Government of India Act, 1935. Question: the proposal for framing of the Constitution of India by an elected Constituent Assembly was made by A. Simon Commission, B. Government of India Act, 1935, C. Cripps Mission, D. British Cabinet Delegation. Correct answer is C. Cripps Mission. Question: the objective of Ilbert Bill in reference to colonial rule in India was A. To bring Indians and Europeans at equal status as far as the penal jurisdiction of courts was concerned. B. To put a strict restriction on local press because they were considered anti to colonial rulers. C. To conduct administrative service exams in India to encourage Indians to participate in it. D. To amend the Arms Act for weapon permit to Indians. Correct answer is A. To bring Indians and Europeans at equal status as far as the penal jurisdiction of courts was concerned. Question: as per Cabinet Mission Plan, in the Constituent Assembly to decide allotted members' seat in each province. One representative was in ratio to which population? A. 8 lakh, B. 10 lakh, C. 12 lakh, D. 15 lakh. Correct answer is B. 10 lakh. Question: who among the following persons was not a member of the cabinet mission? A. William Wood, B. Pethuck Lawrence, C. Stafford Cripps, D. A. B. Alexander. Correct answer is A. William Wood. Question: Indian Constituent Assembly was established under A. Government of India Act, 1935, B. Cripps Mission, 1942, C. Cabinet Mission, 1946, D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is C. Cabinet Mission, 1946. Question: in the interim government formed in 1946, the Vice President of the Executive Council was A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Rajagopalachari, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: who of the following was not the member of the interim national government formed in August 1946 AD? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, D. Jagjeevan Ram. Correct answer is C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question: who gave the idea of a constituent assembly firstly for the formation of constitution for India? A. Swaraj Party in 1934, B. Congress Party in 1936, C. Muslim League in 1942, D. All Parties Conference in 1946. Correct answer is A. Swaraj Party in 1934. Question: which one among the following is an incorrect statement about the Constituent Assembly? A. It worked with the help of a large number of committees, the most important among them being the drafting committee. B. Minority communities like Christians, Anglo-Indians and Parsis were adequately represented in the assembly. C. It was elected on the basis of universal adult franchise. D. Its electoral process was based on the 6th schedule of the Act of 1935, which allowed for a restricted franchise based on tax, property and educational qualification. Correct answer is C. It was elected on the basis of universal adult franchise. Question: member of Constituent Assembly who drafted the Constitution of India were A. nominated by British Parliament, B. nominated by Governor General, C. elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces, D. elected by Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Correct answer is C. elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. Question with reference to Indian history. The members of the Constituent Assembly from the provinces were A. directly elected by the people of those provinces, B. nominated by the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League, C. Elected by the provincial legislative assemblies. D. Selected by the government for their expertise in constitutional matters. Correct answer is C. Elected by the provincial legislative assemblies. Question: How were the members of Constituent Assembly elected? A. Directly by public. B. Nominated by Congress. C. Nominated by Indian ruler. D. By provincial assemblies. Correct answer is D. By provincial assemblies. Question: Who was the first elected chairman of Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: Who chaired the first meeting of Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. C. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Correct answer is C. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Question: Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of Independent India? A. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Rajagopalachari. D. K. M. Munshi. Correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: Constituent Assembly of India was established on A. the 10th of June, 1946. B. the 9th of December, 1946. C. the 26th of November, 1949. D. the 26th of December, 1949. Correct answer is B. the 9th of December 1946. Question: The resolution for giving a constitution to India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on A. the 22nd of January, 1946. B. the 22nd of January, 1947. C. the 20th of February, 1947. D. the 26th of July, 1946. Correct answer is B. the 22nd of January 1947. Question: Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. B.N. Rao. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: Who of the following presented the Objectives Resolution? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. C.D. Deshmukh. Correct answer is B. Part Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? A. 7. B. 9. C. 12. D. 15. Correct answer is C. 12. Question: How much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? A. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. B. 2 years, 7 months, 23 days. C. 3 years, 4 months, 14 days. D. 3 years, 11 months, 5 days. Correct answer is A. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Question: who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. J. B. Kripalani. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. B. P. T. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is D. Sardar Patel. Question: who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? A. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Sachidanand Sinha. D. C. Rajagopalachari. Correct answer is A. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Question: who was the chairman of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities, constituted by the Constituent Assembly? A. Pandit Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. B. N. Rao. D. Ambedkar. Correct answer is B. Sardar Patel. Question: the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly under Dr. B. R. Ambedkar had how many other members? A. 7. B. 6. C. 5. D. 4. Correct answer is B. 6. Question: who amongst the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution? A. Muhammad Sadullah. B. K. M. Munshi. C. A. K. Iyer. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar on A. the 13th of December, 1946, B. the 22nd of January, 1947, C. the 3rd of June, 1947, D. the 29th of August, 1947. Correct answer is D. the 29th of August 1947. Question: who was the constitutional advisor at the time of the formation of the Constitution? A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. B. N. Rao. D. K. M. Munshi. Correct answer is C. B. N. Rao. Question: the first draft of the Constitution was prepared by A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. B. N. Rao. C. K. Santhanam. D. K. M. Munshi. Correct answer is B. B. N. Rao. Question: when did the Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag? A. the 22nd of July, 1947. B. the 23rd of July, 1947. C. the 25th of July, 1947. D. the 15th of August, 1947. Correct answer is A. the 22nd of July 1947. Question: who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. J. B. Kripalani. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: when was the third reading of the Indian Constituent Assembly started? A. the 17th of November, 1949. B. the 14th of November, 1948. C. the 25th of November, 1948. D. the 25th of November, 1949. Correct answer is A. the 17th of November 1949. Question: the Constitution of India was completed on A. January 26, 1950. B. November 26, 1949. C. February 11, 1948. D. none of the above is correct. Correct answer is B. November 26, 1949. Question: Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on A. the 26th of November, 1949. B. the 15th of August, 1949. C. the 2nd of October, 1949. D. the 15th of November, 1949. Correct answer is A. the 26th of November 1949. Question: Constitution of India came in force on A. the 26th of January, 1950. B. the 23rd of January, 1950. C. the 15th of August, 1947. D. the 26th of December, 1949. Correct answer is A. the 26th of January 1950. Question: January 26 was selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because A. the Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. B. on that day the Quit India movement was started in 1942. C. it was considered to be an auspicious day. D. none of the above. Correct answer is A. the Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. Question: Indian Constitution was adopted by A. Constituent Assembly. B. British Parliament. C. Governor General. D. Indian Parliament. Correct answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Question: the Constitution of India was enacted on the 26th of November, 1949 by the A. Constituent Assembly. B. Governor General of India. C. Parliament of India. D. British Parliament. Correct answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Question: Constitution Day of India is celebrated on A. the 26th of October. B. the 26th of November. C. the 26th of January. D. the 15th of August. Correct answer is B. The 26th of November. Question: B.R. Ambedkar was elected to the Constituent Assembly from A. West Bengal, B. Bombay Presidency, C. Middle India, D. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Bombay Presidency. Question: Year of birth and death of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A. 1886, 1951, B. 1891, 1956, C. 1877, 1961, D. 1889, 1961. Correct answer is B. 1891, 1956. Question: In which year was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem of India? A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1950, D. 1951. Correct answer is C. 1950. Question: The state emblem was adopted by Govt. of India on A. the 15th of August, 1948, B. the 2nd of October, 1947, C. the 26th of January, 1948, D. the 26th of January, 1950. Correct answer is D. the 26th of January 1950. Question: Deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Azad, D. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Correct answer is C. Maulana Azad. Question: Who amongst the following advised that the Indian National Congress should be disbanded as a political party after the independence of India? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Jaya Prakash Narayan, C. Acharya Kripalani, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Question: In their nationalist reaction, the founding fathers of Indian Constitution tended to minimize the importance of minority interests and emotions. This view is credited to A. Morris Jones, B. Hargrave Jr., C. Alexandrowitz, D. Ivor Jennings. Correct answer is D. Ivor Jennings. Question: Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? A. Austin, B. C.R. Attlee, C. Winston Churchill, D. Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer is A. Austin. Question: How many women members were there in the Indian Constituent Assembly? A. 15, B. 13, C. 12, D. 10. Correct answer is A. 15. Question: The states and the central government derive power from A. the Constitution of India, B. the President of India, C. the Prime Minister of India, D. the Parliament of India. Correct answer is A. the Constitution of India. Question: In how many provinces was the Congress ministry formed in the election of the year 1937? A. 11, B. 9, C. 8, D. 3. Correct answer is C. 8. Question: the concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the Constitution of A. UK, B. USA, C. USSR, D. Australia. Correct answer is B. USA. Question: the idea of the preamble has been borrowed in Indian Constitution from the Constitution of A. Italy, B. Canada, C. France, D. USA. Correct answer is D. USA. Question: the concept of a union of states in the Indian Constitution has been derived from A. the American Declaration of Independence, B. the Australian Constitution, C. the British North American Act, D. the Swiss Constitution. Correct answer is C. the British North American Act. Question: the feature of federal system of Indian Constitution is inspired by the Constitution of A. Canada, B. United Kingdom, C. USA, D. Ireland. Correct answer is A. Canada. Question: the Indian parliamentary system is different from the British parliamentary system in that India has A. both a real and a nominal executive, B. a system of collective responsibility, C. bicameral legislature, D. the system of judicial review. Correct answer is D. the system of judicial review. Question: the system of judicial review exists in A. India only, B. USA only, C. India and USA, D. UK only. Correct answer is C. India and USA. Question: which of the following characteristics is common between the federal system of India and America? A. a single citizenship, B. 3 lists in the Constitution, C. dual judicial system, D. a federal Supreme Court for interpretation of the Constitution. Correct answer is D. a federal Supreme Court for interpretation of the Constitution. Question: which of the following statements is true? A. the federal form of government is in United States of America, B. the government of India is federal and unitary both, C. the government of France is of federal form, D. the Prime Minister of Pakistan is appointed by the people. Correct answer is A. the federal form of government is in United States of America. Question: concurrent list included in Indian Constitution is given by A. the Soviet Union, B. Australia, C. Italy, D. Canada. Correct answer is B. Australia. Question: the idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from A. USA, B. Switzerland, C. Australia, D. USSR. Correct answer is C. Australia. Question: the framers of the Constitution of India borrowed the concept of the concurrent list, described in the 7th schedule, from the Constitution of A. Canada, B. Australia, C. Italy, D. South Africa. Correct answer is B. Australia. Question: Indian Constitution has taken a certain feature of the Constitution of other countries. Which country has contributed to the framing of the directive principles of state policy? A. France, B. Ireland, C. Japan, D. USA. Correct answer is B. Ireland. Question: in giving representation to talent, experience and service in the composition of the Council of States, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of A. Irish Republic, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Australia. Correct answer is A. Irish Republic. Question: the concept of fundamental duties has been taken from A. American Constitution, B. British Constitution, C. Russian, former Soviet Union, Constitution, D. French Constitution. Correct answer is C. Russian, former Soviet Union, Constitution. Question: the concept of fundamental rights, as incorporated in the Indian Constitution, has been adopted from A. France, B. Britain, C. United States of America, D. Russia. Correct answer is C. United States of America. Question: the tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? A. Japan, B. India, C. Britain, D. America. Correct answer is D. America. Question: there were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? A. 420, B. 380, C. 395, D. 270. Correct answer is C. 395. Question: total numbers of articles and schedules in Constitution, calculation or numbering wise, is A. 390 articles, 5 schedules, B. 395 articles, 12 schedules, C. 395 articles, 10 schedules, D. 444 articles, 12 schedules. Correct answer is B. 395 articles, 12 schedules. Question: Indian Constitution consists of A. 300 articles, B. 350 articles, C. more than 400 articles, D. 500 articles. Correct answer is C. more than 400 articles. Question: how many parts, articles and schedules was there in the original Indian Constitution? A. 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules, B. 24 parts, 450 articles and 12 schedules, C. 22 parts, 390 articles and 8 schedules, D. 24 parts, 425 articles and 12 schedules. Correct answer is A. 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. Question: the Indian Constitution comprises of A. 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. B. 371 articles, 21 parts and 11 schedules. C. 372 articles, 20 parts and 7 schedules. D. 381 articles, 23 parts and 8 schedules. Correct answer is A. 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Question: total number of schedules in the Constitution is A. 12, B. 16, C. 8, D. 10. Correct answer is A. 12. Question: the Indian Constitution is divided into A. 16 parts, B. 22 parts, C. 24 parts, D. 25 parts. Correct answer is B. 22 parts. Question: which part of Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? A. Part 1, B. Part 3, C. Part 2, D. Part 4. Correct answer is C. Part 2. Question: which one of the following is not matched correctly? A. Citizenship, Part 2 of Constitution. B. Fundamental Rights, Part 3 of Constitution. C. Fundamental Duties, Part 6A of Constitution. D. State, Part 6 of Constitution. Correct answer is C. Fundamental Duties, Part 6A of Constitution. Question: which part of our Constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? A. Part 9, B. Part X, C. Part 11, D. Part 12. Correct answer is A. Part 9. Question: which part and chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relation between the Union and the states? A. Part 11 and Chapter 1. B. Part 11 and Chapter 2. C. Part 12 and Chapter 1. D. Part 12 and Chapter 2. Correct answer is A. Part 11 and Chapter 1. Question: which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Correct answer is A. First. Question: fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. B. Political defection. C. Panchayat system. D. Languages. Correct answer is A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. Question: if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Correct answer is A. First. Question: to give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws have been included in the A. 7th Schedule, B. 9th Schedule, C. 8th Schedule. D. 10th Schedule. Correct answer is B. 9th Schedule. Question under the Constitution of India. Economic planning is a subject. A. In the state list. B. In the union list. C. In the concurrent list. D. Not specified in any list. Correct answer is C. In the concurrent list. Question: which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? A. Police. B. Criminal matters. C. Radio and television. D. Foreign affairs. Correct answer is B. Criminal matters. Question: which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? A. Population control and family planning. B. Public health and sanitation. C. Per person tax. D. Treasure travel. Correct answer is A. Population control and family planning. Question: which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? A. Agriculture. B. Education. C. Police. D. Defense. Correct answer is B. Education. Question: education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list by the A. 24th Amendment. B. 25th Amendment. C. 42nd Amendment. D. 44th Amendment. Correct answer is C. 42nd Amendment. Question: which one of the given subjects is not correctly matched with their list? Subject list. A. Forest concurrent. B. Stock exchange concurrent. C. Post office union saving bank. D. Public health state. Correct answer is B. Stock exchange concurrent. Question: which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding Anti-Defection Act? A. 2nd Schedule. B. 5th Schedule. C. 8th Schedule. D. 10th Schedule. Correct answer is D. 10th Schedule. Question: Constitution's 10th Schedule relates to A. National language of India. B. Administration of SCs and STs area. C. Judicial review. D. Anti-defection law. Correct answer is D. Anti-defection law. Question: which one of the following is not included in the Union list in the 7th Schedule of the Indian Constitution? A. Banking. B. Insurance. C. Census. D. Gas. Correct answer is D. Gas. Question: which one of the following is not included in the Union list of the Constitution of India? A. Defense. B. Foreign affairs. C. Railways. D. Agriculture. Correct answer is D. Agriculture. Question: which one of the following is included in the state list under 7th Schedule of Indian Constitution? A. Education. B. Electricity. C. Railway police. D. Forest. Correct answer is C. Railway Police. Question: in which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayati Raj subject is included? A. Union list. B. State list. C. Concurrent list. D. Residuary list. Correct answer is B. State list. Question: which one of the following subject is in List 3 concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? A. Criminal procedure. B. Police. C. Prisons. D. Public order. Correct answer is A. Criminal procedure. Question: marriage, divorce, and adoption are an entry in the 7th schedule of the Constitution under the following: A. List I, Union list. B. List 2, State list. C. List 3, Concurrent list. D. None of the above 3 lists. Correct answer is C. List 3, Concurrent list. Question: the right of the government to impose taxes and fees is provided in which list of Constitution? A. V schedule. B. 7 schedule. C. IX schedule. D. 11 schedule. Correct answer is B. 7 schedule. Question: which one of the following is in the state list? A. Railway Police. B. Corporation tax. C. Census. D. Economic and social planning. Correct answer is A. Railway Police. Question: land reform comes under the subjects of A. Union list. B. Concurrent list. C. State list. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. State list. Question: which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? A. 3rd. B. 5th. C. 7th. D. 9th. Correct answer is B. 5th. Question: provisions of Schedule 6 of the Constitution does not apply to which of these state? A. Assam. B. Meghalaya. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. Correct answer is D. Manipur. Question: the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with the administration of tribal areas of which of the following states? A. Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa. B. Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. C. Uttarakhand, Manipur, Jharkhand. D. Nagaland, Arunachal, Tripura. Correct answer is B. Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Question: the provisions of the 5th and 6th schedule in the Constitution of India are made to A. Protect the interests of scheduled tribes. B. Determine the boundaries between states. C. Determine the powers, authority and responsible of panchayats. D. Protect the interests of all the border states. Correct answer is A. Protect the interests of scheduled tribes. Question: the constitutional status has been given to panchayats under Article A. 226, B. 243, C. 239. D. 219. Correct answer is B. 243. Question: The 11th schedule of the Constitution is related to which of the following? A. Municipality. B. Panchayati Raj. C. Center-state relationship. D. Removal of corruption. Correct answer is B. Panchayati Raj. Question: The provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the President is covered in the Constitution of India under A. Article 117. B. Article 266. C. Article 306. D. Article 307. Correct answer is A. Article 117. Question: Special provision regarding financial bills is given under A. Article 117. B. Article 119. C. Article 121. D. Article 123. Correct answer is A. Article 117. Question: Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for all Indian services? A. Article 310. B. Article 311. C. Article 312. D. Article 313. Correct answer is C. Article 312. Question: Which one of the following pairs, institutions and articles of the Constitution, is properly matched? A. Supreme Court of India, Article 318. B. Election Commission of India, Article 324. C. Union Public Service Commission, Article 332. D. Attorney General, Article 351. Correct answer is B. Election Commission of India, Article 324. Question: Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Article 39A, Equal Justice and Free Legal Aid. B. Article 40, Organization of Village Panchayats. C. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code. D. Article 48, Separation of Judiciary from Executive. Correct answer is D. Article 48, Separation of Judiciary from Executive. Question: Which one of the following is matched correctly? A. Article 17, Equality before law. B. Article 78, Establishment of Parliament. C. Article 192, Salaries and Allowances of Parliament members. D. Article 352, Proclamation of Emergency. Correct answer is D. Article 352, Proclamation of Emergency. Question: Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Part 2 of the Constitution, Fundamental Rights. B. Part 3 of the Constitution, Citizenship. C. Part 4A of the Constitution, Fundamental Duties. D. Part 5 of the Constitution, Directive Principles of the State Policy. Correct answer is C. Part 4A of the Constitution, Fundamental Duties. Question: Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Article 39A, Equal Justice and Free Legal Aid. B. Article 40A of the Constitution, Directive Principles of the State Policy. Correct answer is C. Part 4A of the Constitution, Fundamental Duties. Question: which of the following is not correctly matched under the Constitution of India? A. The Panchayats, Part 9. B. The Municipalities, Part 9A. C. The Cooperative Societies, Part D. Tribunals, Part 10. Correct answer is D. Tribunals, Part 10. Question: by which names is our country mentioned in the Constitution? A. Bharat and India. B. Bharat only. C. Hindustan and India. D. Bharat, Hindustan and India. Correct answer is A. Bharat and India. Question: in the context of the preamble of Indian Constitution, which of the following sequence is correct? A. Republic, People's, Democratic, Secular, Socialist, Universal, Sovereign. B. Sovereign, Socialist, Democratic, People's, Secular, Republic. C. Sovereign, Socialist, People's, Democratic, Secular, Socialist, Republic. D. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. Correct answer is D. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. Question: in the following quotation, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this X do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. X stands for A. 26th day of January, 1950. B. 26th day of November, 1949. C. 26th day of January, 1949. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. 26th day of November, 1949. Question: what was the exact constitutional status of the Indian Republic on the 26th of January 1950 when the Constitution came into force? A. A democratic republic. B. A sovereign democratic republic. C. A sovereign secular democratic republic. D. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Correct answer is B. A sovereign democratic republic. Question: which one of the following describes India as a secular state? A. Fundamental rights. B. Preamble to the Constitution. C. Ninth Schedule. D. Directive Principles. Correct answer is B. Preamble to the Constitution. Question: which one of the following words was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1975? A. Fraternity. B. Sovereign. C. Equality. D. Integrity. Correct answer is D. Integrity. Question: in which form is India declared in the preamble of Indian Constitution? A. A sovereign, democratic, republic. B. A socialist, democratic, republic. C. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Question: the term socialist was brought into the preamble of the Indian Constitution by which amendment? A. 32nd, B. 42nd, C. 44th, D. 74th. Correct answer is B. 42nd. Question: the words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble to the Constitution by the A. 41st Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 43rd Amendment, D. 44th Amendment. Correct answer is B. 42nd Amendment. Question: the word secularism was inserted in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by A. 25th Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 44th Amendment, D. 52nd Amendment. Correct answer is B. 42nd Amendment. Question: India is a republic means A. It is the people who are the final authority in all matters. B. There is no parliamentary system of government in India. C. There are no hereditary rulers in India. D. India is the union of states. Correct answer is C. There are no hereditary rulers in India. Question: India has people's sovereignty because the preamble of the Constitution begins with the words A. Democratic India, B. Republic of People, C. Democracy of People, D. We the people of India. Correct answer is D. We the people of India. Question: where have the words "We the people of India" been used in the Constitution of India? A. Directive Principles, B. Fundamental Rights, C. Citizenship, D. Preamble of the Constitution. Correct answer is D. Preamble of the Constitution. Question: all persons completely and equally are human. This principle is known as A. Universalism, B. Holism, C. Socialism, D. Interactionism. Correct answer is A. Universalism. Question: which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? A. India has many religions. B. Indians have religious freedom. C. Following the religion depends upon the will of an individual. D. There is no religion of the state in India. Correct answer is D. There is no religion of the state in India. Question: which of the following words is not in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Sovereign, D. Public welfare. Correct answer is D. Public welfare. Question: which one of the following liberty is not embodied in the preamble of the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought, B. Liberty of expression, C. Liberty of belief, D. Economic liberty. Correct answer is D. Economic liberty. Question: which of the following is true in relation to the preamble of Constitution of India? A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. B. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1977. C. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1985. D. These two words are not part of the preamble. Correct answer is A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. Question: which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? A. Fundamental rights. B. Directive principles of state policy. C. The preamble. D. Right to constitutional remedies. Correct answer is C. The preamble. Question: who among the following called the preamble of Indian Constitution the horoscope of one sovereign democratic republic? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Vallabhbhai Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. K.M. Munshi. Correct answer is D. K.M. Munshi. Question: who has termed Constitution a sacred document? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Deen Dayal Upadhyay. D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Correct answer is A. B.R. Ambedkar. Question: in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the preamble forms part of a Constitution? A. Union of India vs. Dr. Kohli. B. Banarsi Das vs. State of UP. C. Bommai vs. Union of India. D. Malak Singh vs. State of Punjab. Correct answer is C. Bommai vs. Union of India. Question: in which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded preamble as a part of the basic structure of India Constitution? A. Baru Bari case. B. A.K. Gopalan case. C. Privy Purse case. D. Keshwanon Bharati case. Correct answer is D. Keshwanon Bharati case. Question: economic justice, as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution, has been provided in A. the preamble and the fundamental rights. B. the preamble and the directive principles of state policy. C. the fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy. D. none of the above. Correct answer is B. the preamble and the directive principles of state policy. Question: the ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in A. the chapter on fundamental rights. B. the chapter on directive principles of state policy. C. the chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. D. nowhere else in the text of the Constitution. Correct answer is C. the chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Question: The mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? A. The Preamble. B. The Fundamental Rights. C. The Directive Principles of State Policy. D. The Fundamental Duties. Correct answer is A. The Preamble. Question: The objective of Indian Constitution is reflected in which of the following? A. Fundamental Rights. B. Preamble of the Constitution. C. Directive Principles of State Policy. D. Parliament. Correct answer is B. Preamble of the Constitution. Question: How many types of justice has been enshrined in the Preamble of the Constitution of India? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. D. 4. Correct answer is B. 3. Question: One of the implications of equality in society is the absence of A. Privileges. B. Restraints. C. Competition. D. Ideology. Correct answer is A. Privileges. Question: Which of the following is correct? A. Social equality is not guaranteed in our Constitution. B. Social equality already existed in our country. C. Social equality is guaranteed in our Constitution. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Social equality is guaranteed in our Constitution. Question: Consider the following words. 1. Socialist. 2. Democratic. 3. Sovereign. 4. Secular. Choose the correct sequence of words as given in the preamble. A. 3. 1. 4 and 2. B. 3. 4. 1 and 2. C. 3. 4. 2 and 1. D. 4. 1. 3 and 2. Correct answer is A. 3. 1. 4 and 2.